The diagram shows a regular octagon with sides of length 1. The octagon is divided into regions by 4 diagonals. What is the difference between the area of the region shaded green and the region shaded gray? So I will start with, let me just write down the length of the sides. So they're all equal and they're all 1. Now what we have to do is we have to find the area of all of these shapes. So if I can start with putting in some names for these, like, if I call this A, and this would also be A, they're equal, and this would also be A, and this would be B, this would be B, and this would also be B, and this would be B, and this would be C. Now why is that? You see that if this is 1 and this would be 1, 1, and this is also 1 and this is also 1, and they are all intersect at 90 degrees. So C is a square, while the B's are the rectangles and A's are the triangles. Now we know they're right angle triangles. Right, now we know the hypotenuse is 1. So to find the area of B, what we have to do is, or A, we have to find out what is the side lengths. We have to find the side lengths. Once we do that, our problem is solved. So to find the side lengths, we need to take the help of angles. Now we know that the internal angle of the hexagon is, we can work it out, we do n minus 2 times 180 divided by n. So here n is 8. That is 8 minus 2. 4 times 2 is 8. 4, 5, and 2 times 3, so that is 135 degrees. So what this gives us is this entire angle is 135 degrees, and we know that this is 90, and so this will be 135 minus 90, and that is 5 and 4, 45 degrees, and this is also 45 degrees because it's isosceles. So then it becomes simpler. Not quite. We now need to know what the side is. We just have the angle. So how will we know the side? We will know the side. This is 90, yeah. So we will know the side. This is 45 degrees. We will take the help of a little bit of trigonometry here. So we can do sine or cosine either. It doesn't matter. So I will do cos of 45 degree. I know that is root 2 out of 2. I will use that. So I will say that equals. So if I name, I have to do the side name. If I name this side x, and this is also x, the sides of the right angle triangle as x. The hypotenuse is 1, so this would be x out of 1. So that means x is root 2 out of 2. So once I know that, the answer, it's simpler to answer this question. So I know that this is root 2 out of 2. So all these sides, root 2 out of 2, root 2 out of 2, this would be root 2 out of 2, root 2 out of 2, root 2 out of 2. So the area of A of the triangle. So area of, so if I say area A is half times base times height, so the base would be times height, so that is 1 out of 4. So I know A is 1 out of 4, and the area B equals 1 times root 2 out of 2. So that's the area of the rectangles. So now if I have to rewrite it on the top, sorry. So the region, the B, or the shape B, here by A and B I mean the shapes, the marked ones, equals, once I do that, then all I'm going to write is, what is the area of the gray region? So I'm going to write area of gray region equals 3A plus 2B. That is 3 times 1 out of 4 plus 2 times out of 2, and that is 3 out of 4 plus root 2. That is the area of the gray region. Now the area of the region shaded green area of the green region, what the area of the green region is 2B plus C. So twice of B, that is twice times plus 1, that will give me 1 plus root 2. Now I have to find the difference in area of the two regions, the green and the gray region. So the difference would be 1 plus root 2 minus 3 out of 4 plus root 2, and that gives me minus 3 out of 4 root 2, and I'm left with 1 minus 3 out of 4, and that is 1 out of 4, and that is the answer. So the difference is 1 out of 4. That's the answer.